Okay, here. Today we have a laptop. This is Dell. The laptop. There is no specification here. How about here? This is the what kind? What is Vostro 14? Vostro 14. That's all. Vostro 14. I don't know. Other specification is coming for repair. I don't know what the problem. Look. Let's press on the power button. Yeah, it is on. Sorry, press on the power. It is on. Yeah, no picture, but you see this is a logo. There is a logo, and the laptop. We have picture, but we have no backlight. Support to scan. Okay, yeah. The laptop has no backlight. Press the power button. The laptop is up. We open the laptop now. Okay, the laptop has been opened. For the first time, maybe we must check, yeah, because this we don't have backlight. We must check 19 volt on the lvds connector, here. Okay, here under this Wi-Fi card. We open the Wi-Fi card first, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, but you can see because I have no uh, microscope camera, so I take the candle first. Where is my multimeter? I think the 19 for here because this is there is 4 pin together. Yeah. Ground. This is ground. Plug in the charger. DC. There is no 19.4. Oh, this is 19.4. Okay, 19.65. It's mean the backlight is present. Yeah. So we must check on the LCD side. Yeah. Okay. I'll make sure again. 19. Yeah. 1962. Okay, we must check the LCD side. So I will stop and continue. Okay, I open the laptop now. Sorry, the LCD side. Yeah. I think something not fit here on the LCD connector. We'll try to open and plug in again. Okay, open. Okay, okay, now let's try again. Okay, plug in the charger. Switch on. Why? Why the laptop not coming on? What's wrong? The laptop is coming up. Okay. What's wrong? The charger? Yes. The charger is no voltage. Oh, I blocked out. Sorry. Charger not plug into AC. Power on. Okay, we have backlight. Okay, everything is okay, yeah. So actually there is no problem with this LCD laptop. Only the connector is slightly out from the place, so the make the backlight is not turning on because the 19 volt is not passed to the LCD. Okay, I will stop the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this. See you in the next video.